Welcome to the eBook Valet Review, where we dive into this exciting new AI ebook creator launched in 2025. Designed for users with zero writing or design skills, eBook Valet automates the entire ebook creation process, from crafting content to designing covers, all in mere minutes. But can it really deliver on its promises? In this review, we will explore everything from the features to pricing and whether it's worth your investment. Launched by Joshua Zamora, a well-respected name in internet marketing, eBook Valet offers tools for content creators, authors, and entrepreneurs aiming to efficiently generate ebooks and audiobooks. Complete with multilingual support, customizable outputs, and a user-friendly interface, it ensures quick production suitable for beginners and seasoned pros alike. However, despite its impressive automation capabilities, the AI-generated content may require human editing to avoid inaccuracies. Perfect for bloggers, affiliate marketers, and anyone looking to monetize their knowledge, eBook Valet stands out as a leading tool in the publishing landscape of 2025. So if you're ready to transform your ideas into professional quality ebooks without the hassle, this might just be the solution for you. Find the product link and full review link in my bio. Don't forget to like, drop a comment, and share this reel if it helped you. Follow this page for more honest product reviews and smart business tools.
Let's be real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff I've been feeling